So when it comes to removal of conditions, we had a question about that right now. Jordan asked, how long does the removal of conditions take to get approved to get a 10-year green card? And so on average, it takes between 6 months and 2 years for the I-751 removal of conditions to be approved. So that's a long gap period of time. Like, how is it that big? It just is. I have cases done after 6 months. I have cases done after 2 years. It's just an unfortunate situation where these cases are taking forever, especially the removal of conditions. And so in the meantime, a lot of times if my clients, if they're married to U.S. citizens, they just apply for U.S. citizenship and pretty much altogether it gets done and they become citizens eventually. So this delay is really serious. You know, I'm packed with work, but one of my goals is to really challenge the government and get support behind this, because it's really hard on people to be waiting for removal conditions to be approved. So I'm with you, I hear you, what's going on. So, well, the reason why the removal of conditions for I-751 takes so long is because the government does not give it priority. Based on what they said, they give citizenship #1 priority, citizenship cases, and then I-130 petitions, and then last removal of conditions, I-751. Because they say the I-751, you can still live in the United States, you get an automatic extension that gives you travel permission back and forth. So in their opinion, they're like, well, you got what you need, you're a resident, just relax and we'll get to you when we get to you. That's literally what the official position is of the government on this. They've said it in the Ombudsman's report that comes out multiple times. So, but we got to change that, because it's very disruptive when the I-751 takes this long. Some couples are not, in a good relationship, it's falling apart, but they stay together because of it. That's not healthy. Some people waiting 18 months plus, and after 18 months, you have to get a new extension. That's very difficult to get. Sometimes they want to get a home mortgage loan, and the bank will not accept that as proof of residency. And the list goes on. There's a lot of different stuff I've seen, troubles that people have with the I-751, but that's just the situation that we have. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.